Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Nirja and you are watching my digital diary. In this vlog, I'm gonna take you to a waterfall situated around 125 kilometers from Bangalore, which is known as Hogenakkal Waterfall. So let's begin. After parking our vehicle, we are going inside this waterfall area. There is a queue system in the right side. Also, when you will enter inside, there will be a boatman who will accompany you from entry point itself. Hongenakkal Waterfall is located on the border of Tamilnadu and Karnataka. Is one of the most scenic places to visit in the region. राइट साइड में आप देख सकते हो छोटे छोटे वाटरफॉल स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं. The sight of River Kaveri splitting into multiple small waterfalls will simply leave you mesmerized. Insanely beautiful it is. The view is super wow. I'm especially very happy to be getting into most awaited Coracle Ride soon. It is my first experience with Coracle Ride. So let's see how's it. Hogenakkal is a Kannada term where Hogi means smoke and Kal means rock. Waterfall has got its name because of its unique arrangement of giant rock that surrounds it. The water of Hogenakkal Waterfall flows through a forest with medicinal herbs. As a result, according to the local, the waterfall has curative power, and taking a bath here after a good oil massage can provide numerous health benefits. So there is a separate arrangement where you can take a bath also in Kaveri river. ये माना जाता है कि यहाँ नहाने से सारे पाप धुल जाते हैं. एक बोट में सिर्फ 4 लोग बैठ सकते हैं, सो इसलिए हमें 2 बोट करनी पड़ी because we were 6. As this is what Coracle Ride is. It looks extremely fun, isn't it? The boat person will take you near the waterfall and the journey to the waterfall is super fun. This ride offers an up-close view of the fall. So we are going towards the fall. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो थोड़ा झाग दिख रहा है. So that means we are very close to the fall now.
Madam, Kaveri River, Madam, Ganda Pani nahi, Acha Pani, Kaveri drinking water.
This majestic waterfall, about 4 hours from Bangalore, makes for a perfect day trip. Called the Niagara Falls of South India, drives down for a view of waterfalls, breathtaking scenery, and freshly cooked fish. Time to pack up your picnic bag and gear yourself for a drive of 130 kilometers south of Bangalore. It takes about 4 hours to reach via road, and then you can check out the splendid Hongenakkal Waterfall. So this was our perfect day out. If you liked the video, do subscribe to my channel. Until next time, it's me ending my vlog now. Thanks for watching. Bye.